Hi everybody, I just wanted to share a quick tip with you. It's probably something that you don't really know about, but did you know that your business bank account is not protected by the FDIC? Yeah, you may want to check with your bank. So the way that works is typically the FDIC only protects from bank insolvency, and that only protects personal accounts. So if a hacker gets into your bank accounts, or if you happen to wire money to the wrong place, it's pretty much gone. Banks typically, you have to act pretty quick, basically. If you know the money went to the wrong place, or if it was stolen, you have to let them know within an hour or two, sometimes a couple of more hours than that, just to make sure that they can try to track it and maybe freeze accounts. You have to get the FBI involved. So essentially what you want to do is make sure you have a lot of protections in place. Some of those protections could be having an insurance policy to protect against cybercrime from theft in your bank accounts. Insurance is just one layer, but you want to have some good policies and procedures to always voice verify with people when you are going to wire money, for one. If there's a change that comes via email and it looks like it's coming from the right person, always make sure that it is the right person. Make sure there's a policy in place where it says that you have to talk to them on the phone, so at least you know you're not just going off of email.